Welcome at the location which is your place to go for everything related to international affairs at the University of Stuttgart, the International Office. You can barely miss the building on the campus in Vaihingen with the big yellow letters, which stand for Internationales Zentrum. On 3 floors you will find contact persons for any of your concerns. But where exactly do you have to go to reach them? We will find out in several videos where you can decide which floor you want to get to know better. Let's start with the most important question: where can you enter the building? Right now we are standing in front of the entrance that leads to the basement, but there are 2 other entrances that we're going to have a look at. So you can't enter the building here. However, this spot is very important if you need to hand in printed documents. This is where you can find the mailbox. Now we are at the main entrance from where you can easily reach the 3 floors. If you press this button, the door opens automatically. And now it's up to you to decide which floor you want to get to know better. Decide by selecting one of those videos.